What's up, guys? It's Mike from Armor Woodworks by Mike. And Mike. My buddies pick on me about that, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I want y'all to remember my name. Mike. I'm such a fool country boy. Hey, look, I want to teach you or show you how I paid off my Xtool P2 laser in 1 month. 1 month with this right here. My best money maker. And it turned into so many more sales. It was crazy, ridiculous. Not only for the baseball plate, but other laser engraving. This is what I did. And I'm gonna show you a small one. This was just a template, but the main one's on my page, and I'll have more pictures of the ones I'm doing now. Got 21 to build this weekend. So hey, look, you can get $45, $50, $55 a pop for them. It don't cost but $10 to make them. So that's a $40 profit at the worst case scenario. So that right there. Knocked it out of the park with that one, baby. Back. Home run, baby. Home run. But we go from making those, designing them. Actually, I bought the design off Etsy and just changed up the names, engraved the name on it. But we come out with that and put a white backing behind it, and then the player on the front, and maybe a logo of the school up here or something. But I can tell you what, hit your schools, hit your local little leagues, and I'm telling you, in no time, you're gonna have about 100 to 200 of these to make, and it'll pay for a laser like that. Hey, this is Mike, so here comes the video. I'll be back. Man, if I gotta do this video one more time, because a telemarketer called me. Hello? No, I ain't interested in no car warranty. All right, you got 3, 4, 5 steps here, depending on how you do it. But you go to your laser, and I got that video at the front of this one. So what you're gonna do is cut out your stuff, your plates, and you're gonna end up with 3 pieces, because it's a 3-layer project. So you're gonna end up with 3 pieces. Boom, your home plate backing. Boom, the bars and stars, all right? So now that we got those 2, make them custom for the people, so they're different for each player. You put their number and the name on it, laser engraved. This is my boy, senior in high school this year. Boom. That's it. All you got to do is nail it together. Now, you can use super glue. I would say use super glue gel if you're going to do it. But Harbor Freight's got that on sale. That stuff's cheap. I also got this pin nailer that I use. But I use a heat gun, glue gun, a fine tip, corners, and then I pin nail it from the front and back so it pinches it together. Then I put my logo on the back of it, stain it up a little bit so it's nice and pretty, sand the edges a little bit, use a dark stain around the outsides. And brother, I'm telling you, 100 at $50 a piece, what is that? $5,000. I paid for my laser in 1 month with this right here. Now I hit up little leagues, I hit up high schools, I put it on my Facebook, I put it on my Instagram, put it everywhere. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel here. It goes a long way for us, guys. I'm trying to grow, so expand my horizon. So hit that like button for me, subscribe for me, all right? That's it. I'm gonna put this video together, and that's how I paid off my laser in less than a month. I got 21 to build tonight, right there. Of course, you put it together right. But I created a little jig, slide it up the corner, boom, glue it together, pin nail it together, and I'm done. That quick. Takes about 15, 20 minutes, plus dry time when you paint, and you're done. I can pop out 21 of them tonight, because I got another school coming tomorrow. It's Mike, Armor Woodworks by Mike. Don't you forget who it is. Mike. See y'all on the next one, baby.